Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video I really want to show you a very interesting recipe. This recipe has two products, so it's from the same recipe but it makes two products. So for today's video I'm going to show you how to make Mosbolletjies, and that is like a yeasted dough, and it's eaten warmed and it's enjoyed with friends and family, and it's a real treat to have. And then you use that same product, the same Mosbolletjies, and you jar them out as in rusks. So you take the Mosbolletjies and you make them into Aniseed Rusks, which can be enjoyed with a warm cup of coffee or a warm cup of tea, and they are both so delicious. So let me know in the comment section below which variation do you prefer, when they're fresh warm at the oven as Mosbolletjies, or do you prefer them when they are in their second version as dried out as in Aniseed Rusks? Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite way to have these. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe, and onto the video.